आ जाती है याद उन कॉलेज के दिनों की। आ जाती है याद उन कॉलेज के दिनों की। तो जी भर के हंस लेते हैं। शुरू हो जाए यादों का सिलसिला तो खुद को भी खो देते हैं। My friends, my name is Dharmesh Kharwar, and when Shibu messaged me to send a small quote for the college, I was very happy, and it brought me back all the memories of being at NCP. We were studying at the earlier campus, and now you have the newer campus. I'm sure your education of the pharmaceutical education has begun at the right moment, at the right time, at the right place. Today, my introduction will be very short, but I would like to encourage you to just go there and do something that you want. So, what I did was I completed my B Pharm at NCP, and then I gave my GATE exam at that time, got admission into the government college for pharmaceutical department of pharmaceutical sciences at Nagpur itself, and I completed my M.Pharm in pharmaceutics, and then took up a job in FDC Limited, the company that makes Electral and Pyramon, in the R&D department. I worked there in various capacities in 4 years, doing a lot of work in various plants, and then finally I had an opportunity to join the pharma division of Johnson & Johnson, where I joined as a senior officer and left the company with a lot of experience as well as a lot of accomplishments as a director. After that, I joined Merck Sharp Dome, and I was there for 5 years as a director, accomplished many large projects, many divestitures, acquisitions, deals, etc. And you can read all about it in LinkedIn. But I won't bore you with that. What I'm saying is that I was not what we typically call a very bright student, but I was what we say is a very inquisitive student. I was doing my work my way. I could not complete, in fact, even writing and finishing all the questions that were there in all the papers because I was a slow writer. But I ensured that I made all the bullet points in all the exams. It may or may not work today. It may not work for you. But what I'm saying is find your own way to see what you can learn from the profession, from the college that we have. It has the best facilities, and at that time, whichever facilities we had, we went into the science of it, the basis of it, the theory of it, and that made the base so strong that today, as an incipient, when I face anybody in the industry for anything which is related to pharmaceutical sciences, we are having a question where did you do this, where did you do your pharmacy? And I would say proudly at Nagpur College of Pharmacy. So what I'm saying is it does not matter how and when you're going to get these opportunities, but it does matter that what you do in these 4 years at NCP, they are the best ones, and you can have fun, you can have learning, and have a goal in mind that after I come out of this institution, I'm going to achieve this in so and so time, which similarly I had. So today is the day, now is the time to become a very good pharmaceutical professional, and NCP is the right place to be for all of you. All my best wishes to you, the college faculty and the management, to ensure the success not only of the students but also the pharmaceutical profession, who have ensured in times of need, as times of COVID that we are seeing, the profession delivers not only the pharmaceutical medicines but also the necessary advice, the counseling, and the care that patients need. Thank you so much. God bless.